Your dream wedding is finally here, but what happens if something goes wrong? Don't let unexpected disasters ruin your big day. Hi, I'm Conor Redmond, co-founder and Chief Actuary at BriteCo Insurance. In this video, we'll explore the importance of wedding insurance and what it actually covers. We'll answer all your questions and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Let's make sure your wedding day is stress-free and unforgettable. Weddings are joyful occasions filled with love, laughter, and cherished memories. However, as much as we hope for smooth sailing on this special day, unforeseen circumstances can disrupt the best laid plans. This is where wedding insurance comes into play. Wedding insurance is a specialized insurance policy designed to protect couples from financial losses, from unexpected events, and issues that can impact their big day. Wedding liability insurance is a safety net, stepping in to safeguard your interests in case of mishaps. It comes to the rescue if a guest gets injured, the venue sustains damage, or any alcohol-related incidents occur during the celebration. In many cases, the wedding venue will require liability insurance. If so, purchasing wedding liability insurance becomes a must-have. After all, you wouldn't want to bear the responsibility for accidents, especially when alcohol is part of the equation. While rehearsal dinners aren't always automatically covered, some policies offer the option to include them. Cancellation insurance serves as a financial cushion protecting your investment in the event of unexpected hiccups. It covers scenarios such as cancellation or postponement, lost deposits, and even more. These unforeseen circumstances could encompass various issues from severe weather to unexpected venue closures, or the sudden illness or injury of a crucial individual involved in your wedding plans. Moreover, cancellation coverage might extend to instances where vendors fail to appear as promised, such as your videographer or photographer. While specific coverage can vary depending on the insurance provider and the policy you choose, here's a breakdown of common items that wedding insurance covers. Cancellation or postponement. Wedding insurance can cover costs related to canceling or postponing your wedding due to illness, extreme weather, military deployment, or vendor no-shows. This coverage typically includes expenses like non-refundable deposits, rescheduling fees, and additional costs incurred due to the change of date. Venue issues. If your chosen venue becomes unavailable or experiences problems like double bookings or unexpected closures, wedding venue insurance can help cover the expenses of finding an alternative location or rescheduling the event. Vendor problems. Wedding insurance can protect you if you hired vendors such as photographers, caterers, florists, and they fail to fulfill their obligations. It can cover costs associated with finding replacement vendors on short notice. Property damage. Accidents can happen during a wedding celebration. Wedding insurance can cover the repair or replacement costs for property damage, whether damage to the venue or personal property like wedding attire, jewelry, or gifts. Injury or illness. If a vital member of the wedding party or a close family member falls ill or gets injured, leading to a change in plans, wedding insurance can help cover the expenses incurred due to rescheduling or canceling the event. Additional coverage options. Some wedding insurance companies offer optional wedding insurance cover add-ons for specific situations. For example, you may be able to add coverage for the loss of wedding rings or even honeymoon-related issues such as trip cancellations. Wedding attire. Coverage for damage or loss of wedding attire such as the bride's gown, the groom's tuxedo, is often included in wedding insurance policies. This policy can be a relief if there's an accident with your special attire. Gifts and personal property. Wedding insurance can cover stolen or damaged gifts and personal property during the event. It's crucial if you plan to have valuable items on site. Discuss your requirements with your insurance provider or insurance agent when purchasing wedding insurance, and inquire about additional coverage options. This way, you can customize your policy to provide the protection that matters most to you on your special day. Change of heart. Most event insurance does not cover a change of heart or cold feet. BriteCo Wedding Insurance does offer cancel for any reason, which includes a change of heart. Watches and jewelry. Wedding insurance may not extend coverage to items such as watches, gems, and jewelry. Engagement rings. While there's a chance that wedding rings may be covered, your engagement ring most likely doesn't fall under the same coverage. You can consider purchasing separate engagement ring insurance, or checking if your existing homeowners or renters insurance offers coverage. Remember that coverage for these items may also be subject to your policy's deductible. Wedding insurance costs can vary significantly among different providers. Overall, cost of your wedding insurance package is relative to the coverage you choose and will also depend on the insurance company. Most providers offer bundle discounts for couples who select both liability and cancellation insurance. For example, wedding liability insurance on average costs between $120 and $300. This estimate is contingent on the extent of insurance coverage, the addition of extras such as liquor liability, and specific policy conditions stipulated by the venue. In comparison, the average cost of wedding cancellation and postponement insurance is a bit higher at $255 to $420, depending on the number of guests and the cost. Regarding coverage for cancellations and postponements, these limits typically range from $7,500 to a maximum of $175,000. Extra expense coverage limits covering costs like finding new vendors or rescheduling can range from $1,500 to $35,000. It's important to remember that most wedding venues require liability insurance and might demand that they be listed as an additional insured on the policy for protection. Wedding liability insurance and cancellation insurance are two different policies that can be frequently bundled to create a comprehensive package for your special day. Start early. Begin your search for a wedding insurance well in advance of your wedding date. Insurance providers often have different policies and coverage options, so allowing ample time for research is essential. Understand your needs. Assess your specific needs and priorities. Consider factors such as your wedding budget, the location of your wedding, the number of guests, and the value of your wedding attire and gifts. Understand what aspects of your wedding are most important to protect will guide your policy selection. Compare policies. Request quotes from multiple insurance providers. Don't solely focus on price. Compare each company's coverage, deductibles, and policy limits. A wedding insurance policy brings invaluable peace of mind by safeguarding your special day against unexpected setbacks. Life's unpredictability means that illness, extreme weather, vendor no-shows, or venue issues can disrupt even the most meticulously planned weddings. With wedding insurance, you gain financial security, guaranteeing that your substantial investments, from your venue bookings to attire purchases, are protected. It also satisfies venue requirements for liability coverage, maintains vendor reliability in case of unforeseen hiccups, and can protect personal property like jewelry and gifts. When it comes to your special day, BriteCo Wedding Liability and Cancellation Insurance are your trusted partners, ensuring you're covered in case circumstances demand a postponement or cancellation of your ceremony or reception. Visit Brite.co today to get a personalized policy within minutes.